Good morning, dear students. As you know that story writing is of 10 marks in your syllabus and it is very important. If you will do the practice of story drafting, definitely you can get 10 out of 10. So today I am going to tell you how to draft a story. First of all, you should know that what are stories. As you can see on the board, stories are account of real or fictional incidents narrated in an interesting manner, and it is of 10 marks. Plot will be of 6 marks. 2 marks will be given to the fluency and 2 marks will be given to the accuracy. Now there are some contents of a good story by which you can get 10 out of 10 marks. First of all, the important factor of a story is write a catchy first paragraph. It should be catchy. It should be attract the attention of the reader, the checker, the examiner. The second one is develop beautiful characters. As you know, you see film, watch films, serials. There are so many characters, and because of the characters, we get fascinated to the stories. So develop beautiful characters. Meaningful dialogue should be there. Use setting, and setting includes time, location, context, atmosphere. These 4 elements are included in the setting. Next is set up the plot. Plot means series of events, actions to reveal dramatic, thematic and emotional significance. So set up the plot. Plot means storyline, plot line, story, which is the most important factor in the story. Then create conflict. After that you have to create conflict. You have to create a tension, a problem, a difficult situation in the life of the main character or sub characters. Then build a crisis, a dilemma, a climax, a turning point in the life of the character. Then find a resolution or solution of that conflict, of that problem, of that dilemma, of that crisis. You have to find out a resolution or a solution of that problem. Ending should be happy or sad according to your sweet will. So these are the important contents of a good story. If you will keep it in your mind, then definitely you are going to get good marks in the story writing. Yes. Now come to the main point, that is format. Format is very important to know, because if the format will wrong, you are not going to get good marks. First of all, when you will write the story and complete it, then you think about the catchy title. Okay, don't write the title first and then the story. First write the story, then create or draft a title, a good title. So title should be there in the very beginning. Then next is you have to divide your story in the paragraphs. First of all, there should be an introductory paragraph, then there should be a middle, then there should be an ending or last paragraph of the story. So this is the format of the story. Yes, message is not obligatory, it is not compulsory. You can give message or not, that is your sweet will. The next one is, there are some tips to remember while writing or drafting a story that you can see on the board also. These tips are given here. I have drafted. The first one is catchy title. I have already explained to you about the title, how to write title, why it should be catchy, it should be fascinating, because the readers can get attention because of that title. Suppose these days are crucial days and COVID-19 is going on, and we are all suffering and we are inside the homes because of COVID-19. So you can write a story on COVID-19. Fine. So it is a catchy title. Fascinating characters should be there. Cast a spell on the reader. Your words should have the ability to cast spell over the reader. So grammatical accuracy. The next is grammatical accuracy. Your structure of the sentence should be accurate. There should be no problem with the words, with the subject verb agreement, with the use of the tense, as it is important that story should be written in the past tense. So past tense should be used. So grammatical accuracy should be there. Now the next element which is very important to remember is your story should appeal to the senses. When we read story, suddenly our senses become stimulate. So senses should become stimulated because of the words, because of the plot line, because of the elements which you put in your story. The next one is interesting plot line should be there. Story should not be boring, it should quite interesting. Okay, so the next one is logical and sensible sequence should be there. Story should be logical. It should not be like this, that I was standing on the door, suddenly an alien come and disappear. So it's quite boring now. So the story should be logical and sensible. The next one is there should be fluency, means grammatical integrity. Okay, so all the elements which are put or inserted in the story, they should have fluency, because you know, as I have already explained, 2 marks of fluency are there in the story writing. So this is the story writing, how to write a story, how to draft a story. Story is really very important in your syllabus, and if you will write a good story, keeping all these points in your mind, definitely you are going to get 10 out of 10 marks. All the best. Have a nice time. Keep practicing your work and inculcate the habit of doing written practice. All the best.